Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In this video, we are going to be going over the 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla fog light bulb number. There are a lot of options out there to choose from and different brands. I won't be able to cover them all in this short video, but I will list a few of the options. Okay, so we have the Osram H11, the Peak H11, the Phillips H11, and the Sylvania H11. I'm going to go ahead and leave this screen up for a few seconds for reference. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.